So we are in the middle of the Posh Marketplace right now. Take a look at all this stuff. This is all wholesale boutique items. It's for sale on Poshmark right now. You can pick this stuff up and make huge profits with it selling it. Everything's selling for a fraction of the retail cost, and you can really make your money back doing wholesale. So it's a great thing to get into, great thing to branch out and build your business further. And we're going to take a quick tour around and just show you some of the stuff that they have here right now. So I am here with Jaylyn, and she is one of the co-founders of J House, which is a wholesale brand that they're using for the Poshmark Marketplace. She has some great stuff. Why don't you show them some of the stuff that you have here?
So we have branded goods. We have Alice and Olivia. We have Good American, Bradford, ACDG. Every day we get different deals and different products. So.
And this is all wholesale, right? This is all...
Yep, we sell in the wholesale.
Awesome. So you guys can find name brand items such as BCBG. These sports shoes, these Bronco shoes are really hot. Football season is going on right now. And they have a ton of football branded shoes and stuff like that. So this is all stuff that's going to sell for great profit. And what are your prices like? Like, how much are those shoes going for, those Bronco shoes?
$15.
$15 to buy, and they can probably retail for around 50 or 60 bucks.
80.
Oh, 80. Yeah. I'm a little low. Okay. I like high. So $80. So 15 into 80. That's great profit. So check them out on Poshmark. J House is their name. They have some great stuff, and I'm sure you guys will fall in love with it. So here's a little more wholesale stuff for you. We got Estrella and Luna here. Certain items, they got Adidas, they got lots of Adidas. This is all wholesale too, so this is name brand wholesale.
Baby Adidas.
Baby Adidas shoes, look at that, that's cool. Aww, they got a lot here.
So cute.
Ladies, how you doing? You're on YouTube, so smile. What are you guys selling here? Yeah? Clothing mostly, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. And you got some jewelry here too, and you are Aluna Levi. Aluna Levi. So let's check out some of their clothes. Look at this stuff they have here. They got cool stuff. And you're wholesale on Poshmark, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for talking to us. You got Misty Pearl. How you guys doing? And what's your wholesale name again? Amira. And this is, you guys sell, what do you sell primarily?
We sell mostly like dresses and semi-formal clothing. We recently added like a casual line and the shoe line right.
So they have some great shoes on the table. Take a look at those shoes. They also sell, I don't know if you can hear or not, but they sell dresses and casual clothing, and they got a great line. And then these shoes are phenomenal. They're all sparkly and glittery and shiny and neon. You can't go wrong with that stuff. And you're Amira, right? Amira. All right, so check out Amira on Poshmark for all that great wholesale goodness. Balloon archways, huh? They go all out at Poshfest. Here we are at the venue. Look at this. This is cool. This is where we're going to be for the next 2 days. So we are at Poshfest 2018, and I just ran into Colin and Kim, two full-time Poshmark sellers, and we're going to just get a little idea of what they like to do on Poshmark and what's working for them right now. So Colin, why don't you start off and tell us how long you've been on Poshmark for?
I've been on Poshmark for 3 years, and full-time probably 2 years.
2 years? Yeah. Kim, how about you?
I've been on Poshmark since September 2016, but I didn't go full-time until June 2000.
Great. And what do you guys sell? Do you do boutiques, or do you sourcing everything?
Yeah.
What is your favorite thing to source for?
I love finding like luxury items. You don't always
We all
find
do,
them,
yeah.
but when you do find them, I think it's like wonderful.
Yeah, Burberry is my favorite thing to find out in the stores. If I can find one piece of Burberry once a month, I'm happy.
I just found my very first Burberry shirt last week.
Awesome. Yeah, I picked up a Burberry green polo with the Nova check and everything, and I couldn't sell it. I kept it. So. I'm guilty. Yeah, don't do what I do.
Yeah.
Sell all the stuff you find. So, what do you guys think about Poshfest 2018 so far?
I would say this is my second Poshfest, but I would say they've really stepped it up.
How excited are you to find out that we may be going worldwide with Poshmark?
That was exciting.
Great. For you guys that don't know, if you didn't see Manish talking yet, he just announced this morning that we're going to be doing Poshfest worldwide, Poshmark worldwide, starting with Canada next year. They're going to work out shipping and all that great stuff. So we will be able to sell worldwide eventually, and that's going to tremendously change Poshmark.
Yeah.
It's going to make a huge difference in sales and everything.
I think that's so cool too. Like you get to have customers across the world.
Yeah.
Like you're literally styling people that
Right.
live in another country. That's so cool to me.
And by the way, I love your personal style. You got some awesome clothing. You had the best blazer last night. The pants are just sick.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
yeah. In fact, if you're looking for blazers like that, I just started a wholesale deal. So we'll be selling.
You got blazers like that one?
I will have blazers similar to that starting November. So take a look at my closet and I will enjoy it. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming on the channel, and enjoy the rest of Poshfest.
Yeah, thank you.
Colin and Kim, what are your closet names?
Mine is Flying Loftus.
Kim City.
Kim City and Flying Loftus.
Hers is way easier to remember.
Yeah, it is.
Flying Lotus.
Oh, Flying
like the
Lotus.
band.
Okay.
And then my last name is Loftus. So.
Oh, so you just combine them together. That's cool. I like that. All right, well, check them out on Poshmark. Go follow them if you don't follow them already, and we will see you guys later. Have a great one, guys.
Bye.
What's up, YouTube? We're back at Poshfest 2018. It's day 2. I ran into Claire Ware. I don't want to say Claire Bear, but it's Claire Ware. That's her closet name. Go check her out on Poshmark. So I heard from her. She got on Poshmark in 2014. What happened then? What did you do in 2014?
So I originally bought one Free People dress that was like not super in style even, and I thought, oh, I'll just sell it, like see what happens, maybe I can flip it. But I didn't realize I only had one thing on there, and I didn't share, and I didn't do anything, and I said, oh, I'm giving up, this is not it. So then 2017 rolled around, and this was September last year, and I found more items and was, thinking this is going to be a thing, like I'm just going to list a bunch of stuff. I started sharing more, being more active, and that's how I was making sales. I was like, oh, this can actually be something that can become pretty cool.
Now, on an average week, how many sales do you make?
It really varies. So I
What was your best
part
week?
time.
Your best week, yeah.
Probably I made 500.
That's a great week.
On one item, like it was like a David German.
Oh wow, one item. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Where did you find it at?
I actually had a friend that had German she wanted to sell, so I sold it for her.
Okay.
But
Cool.
so if I found it and flipped it or something, I could wait. But depending.
So how do you do your sourcing? You go to thrift stores? What do you do?
I do a mixture, so a lot of my friends give me their stuff to sell, and I give them profit, we split it, or I'll do thrifting too.
And what is the most unique thing you've ever found?
Most unique thing? Oh, that's really hard. I guess like right now, this Fendi bag, I wouldn't say unique, but like the one I'm most excited about.
Fendi's great. That's a great find. Yeah, we
Fendi
found some
bag.
Fendi earlier this year, and we had a home run with it. So
That's
we
great.
made some money on Fendi. How much did you pick it up for?
$350 on eBay.
And what do you got it listed for?
I have it listed for $1,600.
Awesome.
So if I made $1,100 ideally, I would make triple the amount I paid for.
And that's a little tip that I picked up yesterday on Poshmark. Price your items sky high. That way when people lowball you, they're going to lowball you at an offer that you want to accept. So if you have a pair of jeans you want to sell for $45, price them at like $90. Somebody's going to offer you $45, which is half off, and then you're right in the ballpark. So give that a shot, see if it works. Sounds like that's a little bit like what you're doing with your Fendi bag.
Yeah,
so.
it's a test. I do a mixture of things. I'll do like quick flips, like $20, like kind of $50, $70
Yep.
items.
That's what
and
we
I feel
do
like
too. Yeah,
differentiating really helps because you're
definitely,
attracting
yeah.
more buyers.
That's exactly what we do too. We have a mixture of low to high, mid-range, everybody in between. Again, Claire Ware on Poshmark. Go check her out. Claire, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Yeah,
Enjoy
thank
the
you.
rest of Poshfest.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye.